Hello everyone, I'm Shashi and today I'm excited to show you my mini project which is Play Store Game Scrapper API. I developed this API as a solution to a practical challenge I encountered during a test. This API offers powerful features for scrapping game data from Play Store including game titles, developer address, version and more. It seamlessly stores this information in a MongoDB database. Let's dive right in. I will begin by demonstrating the functionality of this API in real time. Here is my browser, and when I attempt to access this API without it being hosted, we encountered a not found error. I will now start the API and reload the page to show you that it's live. So here I am running my code and let's see if it is working or not. So I will reload the page and yeah, nice. Our API is functioning now, so we are going to start the scrapper to retrieve the data for our API. To build this project, I choose technologies that are beginner friendly. I used Flask for creating the API, MongoDB as the database, and the Play Store Scrapper library for data extraction. Now let me show you data retrieval works. To get data into our API, I'm going to run my server, which is built on a REST API principle. Once the scrapper is running, it collects data and sends it to our database. Our API then fetch all the data. As you can see, we are now receiving data. I will refresh the page to demonstrate the continuous data retrieval process. Whenever I reload the page, it displays new data. It's like way more easier and way more responsive. Okay, I will wait for a moment to allow the scrapper to accumulate more data. It has been running for approximately 8 minutes so far. While it's collecting data, let me show you the database where the information is being processed. Okay, so we are now in MongoDB. As you can see, the continuous data storage is processing in our database and it's so processing here. Now let's take a look at how many apps the scrapper has retrieved. We begin with just 17 and now it has been over 1000 games. It's such a big data for just for running 8 minutes. Now let's return to the browser and see how many entries our API has received. So our API and database are working correctly, receiving data and displaying information about more than 1000 games, as you can see here. Now with more data, I am using Firefox. It provides a convenient drop-down option to navigate the data. You can also save this data using the upper left side options. So as you can see, here are more than 1000 options or datas that I can use for my new data sets. So as you can see, this is the data that I have scrapped from the Play Store using this API tool. So that's all. This was the functionality of my tool. I hope you found it interesting and useful.